Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 145 of my coding journey. Today I'll be playing around with the HTML dialog tag. I'm about to try to create a modal with it. I was recommended this tag by one of my friends. He said I should try to start utilizing it whenever I create my modals. So I'm about to give it a shot and try to create one, and let's just see how far I can get. So it's gonna be a fresh new project. I got Vite open, or Vite, whatever you want to call it. So let me go ahead and I'm going to use Tailwind as well. I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder on my desktop very quick. I'm going to name it Modal. Actually, I'm going to name it like dialog modal. I don't think you guys can even see this. Alright, dialog modal. Go ahead and just drag that into there. Open that up. So now we can install Vite. Alright, and I'm gonna use Tailwind as well for my styling right quick. Don't have to do all that extra stuff. Alright, where we at? npm Vite latest. Go ahead and install that. Vite project is just gonna be modal and React, of course. We can use TypeScript now that I know how to use type. Damn, that was fast. Sheesh, that was fast. Okay, Vite, that was super fast. Okay, so we already, that was faster than I expected. Go ahead and this up. I mean, I could have CD'd in it, but I don't know. I'd always just open it up like that. All right, so that was super fast. All right, so let's go ahead and install Tailwind now. Right quick. Tailwind, and I'm using TypeScript, so I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna do Tailwind TypeScript. Maybe. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna do this here. Damn, dude, Vite was really fast. That was super fast. Look how long Tailwind takes compared to Vite. Wow, that was crazy. All right, so once we install Tailwind, I think that's everything that I need. I shouldn't need anything else. I got my coffee though. All right. So we got the config file. Let's see. So we gotta do the configuration. So we just gotta copy this. And I believe that's it, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, we gotta do this thing here. Put that inside of index, maybe. Copy all, paste. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Let's get rid of that. H1. Hello world. Get rid of that. And get rid of all of that. And we can get rid of the CSS too, because we're using Tailwind. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna give this a class name. Let me take off this bracelet thing. I'm gonna give this a class name of text red, just so we can see that tailwind is working. And I think that's really it. We don't need that. Something's going on with this, the tailwind config. Probably like a TypeScript error. File in common JS. What does that mean? File is a common JS module. It may be converted to ES module. TS module is not defined. Okay. That's a TypeScript error. Type. Okay, we'll ignore that for now. I just need to see if the app is working. Let's go ahead and start it up. Do npm start. I don't know if I do run dev or start with. Okay, so I guess we'll do npm run dev with Vite. There we go. Go over here. Localhost 3000. Oh, I forgot. It's different with Vite. So you gotta like copy this over. Okay, so tailwind isn't working. That sucks. src. Yeah, tailwind isn't working right now. Don't tell me I'm gonna run into this issue. Trying to figure out tailwind the whole time. Oh, here we go. Vite. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if that works now. Well, I think I have to close out and go back. I'm glad that was right there. That probably would have took me forever to figure out that they got a whole separate like installation for Vite. That would have, man, I'm glad that was just sitting right there, like right here. Man. It's still not working though. Wonder why. Index. Main. Config. I think I gotta do something else. I copied that already. Hold on. Let's go back to the Vite. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. I just paste that in. Whatever it doesn't has. Alright, and see now. It's npm run dev it. npm run dev. Alright, come on, baby. Turn red for me. There we go. Nice. Alright, so now let's get started. That took longer than I expected. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the dialog HTML thing. So okay, so we got everything open that we need, so we can start this. So I'm using Tailwind, so the only part that's really confusing is how I'm gonna get access to this open. So let's see how we're gonna do this. I say we'll just go ahead and get the styling and stuff. Let's go do that first. So let's get rid of all of this and let's do a nav. I'm doing nav bar, nav, and Let's do a div. This to be like the logo. We'll do like a H1 for now. Just says logo. And then we'll do like UL. Just making a little quick nav bar right quick. UL. And then here we'll just have href that home. Copy this. Home. Do like 5 links. We'll do home. We'll do portfolio. Always do like the same names for my links. I don't be knowing what names to put for links. Do about. Let's do contact, and then we'll do pricing. And now for our modal, it's going to be this button is going to be a login button. So let's do a div for this, and then just do a button that says login for now. All right. So let's see how this looks. This should just look regular. All right, let's just start styling it right quick. So let's that's why I like Tailwind. We can just style it really fast. Do flex. Justify between item center. Let's do like a pattern of P2. Okay. Let's go down to here. Let's give this a flex. Let's do a class name of flex. Item center. And just like a gap of 2. Maybe like a gap of like 4. Okay. And okay, that looks good. I guess this is going to be the only thing on the page. I'm gonna center it actually. So let's do a div. Have it like right in the middle of the screen. A div. And do a class name of flex. Item center. And align. And justify center. I should center the thing, never mind. Huh. Item center, justify center. That is weird. Why didn't it? No center. Maybe because of justify center. Oh, I know why. We're gonna do item center. I know why. Justify center. We're gonna do a width of screen and a height of screen. So this is basically 100 view height and 100 view width. That should center it. There we go. Maybe take off justify center. Why is it like that? Oh, now that makes sense. All right, and let's do a width of full. There we go. Nice. All right, and let's give this a background color. Give some color, and let's do a BG of teal. I really like the teal colors in Tailwind. I was actually thinking about making like a site with just like these colors. I like teal 500. That looks nice. And now we got to give this BG white. And probably bring the pattern up a little bit now. Let's do P of 4. And instead of width full, let's do like a width of 89%. And then we'll do a margin auto just to make sure that it's centered, right? Even though I think it should be already centered, but add some overkill to it. All right, that looks nice. That's not what this video is for though. I'm just trying to, got so into styling. Let's do a rounded large maybe. Okay. And no, one more, then I'm done. Shadow. I think the shadow look nice. Shadow. Why is my autocomplete? Let's do a shadow large. Yeah, that looks nice now. Alright. So we got our logo. We can go ahead and just style this just a little bit. Cause I'm uploading this to my GitHub. Just trying to style it a little bit. Do a class name of let's do X2XL. I think that's it, right? X2XL. And we can just do bold. Where is it? Let's just do text. I'll make it that that BG, that teal color, teal 500 color. Match with it a little bit. All right, so that's that. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and then just bring this up just a little bit. Let's do 8. All right. So now let's work on this dialog. We gotta make the button first. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and just make the button right quick. Let's do a class name. Let's do a P4. Bring the padding up a little bit. It's too much, but maybe P2. And let's give it a BG till 500. X white. Let's do rounded. Large, I guess. Maybe make it just a little bit wider. Let's keep the P. Actually, let's change this. Let's do a PX2. So that's left. Actually, a PX4. So that's left and right. And then for the top and bottom, keep it the same height. So I'm gonna do a PY. Just like that. That looks nice. And then, last but not least, a cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. Okay. I think I already had cursor pointer on it, just as a button, but. Alright, so we got the styling done. That's all I'm doing with the styling, but. Alright. So now let's see how we can use this dialog tag. So, see how we're gonna do this. Okay. So use the appropriate show modal method to render dialogues. If creating a custom dialog implementation. Probably should have read this before I started recording. Yellow element exposed by browsers. Okay, so this is accessibility, which is very important, but I'm not worried about that right now. It's very important though. Not worried about this, adding this to like this little project, but this is very important though. Usage, backdrop. So I do need that. Form elements can close the method dialog. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, and then so I know that it has to be outside of this, right? I know that for a fact, right? Oh, it's on top of it. Let's get rid of this, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. Yeah, maybe keep it there for now. It's gonna close, but whenever we press OK, it goes away. Okay, so I need it to open whenever this button is pressed. So do I have to use state? ID fave. Okay, so this is the JavaScript for it. So I'm gonna have to use state, unfortunately. I was hoping that I didn't have to use state, because I mean that kind of defeats the purpose. No, not really. Because it's still, you still get the functionality of the dialog, because like, you know, you get the method dialog with the closing, and then you also get open. You get access to the backdrop as well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use state, man, for it to work. I can try to see. I was about to like look on Stack Overflow right quick and see. Stack Overflow. Let's do dialog HTML modal without use state. Okay. Any way to open a modal in dialog without. Okay, here we go. Yes, you can by using a render function. Unfortunately, it doesn't work in Code Sandbox, but you can fork it from here. You close the modal by clicking outside. Wait, is this close modal? Any way to open a modal dialog without. I've been using React modal recently, and the pattern to show modal is. Oh, what the fuck is this? Modal dialog. This ain't. I don't think that's. I think that's a. Oh, that's like a library to install React, I guess, for modals. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna go with. We're just gonna go ahead and do the use state. I think that's the only way to actually get it to open. We have to use state. I'm gonna go ahead and import use state from React, and let's go ahead and do a cons show modal set show modal. It's gonna equal use state and then false. That's the initial state. And so we'll add an on click to this button here. On click. And it's gonna be set show modal to true. I don't want it to toggle it, because I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna do set show modal to true. I think that'll work. Let's get rid of this. And now, how am I gonna render this out? There's two ways I can do it. So I can either do this, show modal. You do that. Whenever we open it, got it there. But it doesn't open again. Whoa, hold on. Oh, I think that's why, because we don't. Let's change this to show modal. Toggle it. And then oh, okay, there we go. Close. Why do I gotta click it twice? Huh. Get rid of the open thing right there. Right click and see. Okay. So let's get rid of this. Let's try it the other way. So there's two ways I can do it. I can either do it that way, but that way seems to be buggy right now. I don't know why. Or maybe there's something going on with. Now it's just not showing. Let's go back to the docs right quick. Okay, so actually there's a way to do it without use state. Now that I think about it, I think I can actually make this work, but I would definitely have to use like a regular CSS file. I don't think I'll be able to do that in Tailwind. Like I'm pretty sure there's a way to do it in Tailwind, because we have access to the dialog open, so we could just maybe not maybe not. Okay, so here we go. Button value cancel form method dialog. Okay, so this is all for the form. And here's the button ID show dialog. Show dialog. Show button. Yeah, it's doing a show modal. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. Add an event, click. So wait. Do I have access to this? And this is gonna be so stupid, but let's just see if it works. Alright, let's get rid of this right quick. I'm gonna comment it out. I don't think I do, but worth a try. I don't think I do though. On click, save dialog. So what is save dialog? Okay, I see. You add an ID to where's my okay. I'm gonna add an ID. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that for now. I want to add an ID to this and just see something. ID, and then ID is gonna be just modal. And for this, I'm gonna do modal dot show modal. Nah, I don't think I can do that. But it looks like I do have access to that show modal. But I don't think I can do this. Can I find modal? Yeah, I can't do that in React, I don't think. ID, show modal, show dialog. Huh. Okay. Let me unclick. I'm really trying to think. So this is a stretch, but I'm about to try something out. It is worth a try. So yeah, this is a stretch. I want to try it out though. This is probably stupid, but I just want to try it out. I'm gonna create a dialog component. I'm just gonna name it Modal. I actually want to try this out. Let's see if it works. And then I'm just gonna RAFE. Come on, computer. Okay. And then in this, it's gonna be a dialog tag. Am I spelling this shit right? Yeah, dialog. I was spelling dialogue wrong the whole time. I spelled lounge. Oh my god, bro. Oh man. That's probably why they couldn't figure out my answers on Stack Overflow. I mean, I couldn't find a question. Dialogue. Dude, why is this not working, bro? Yeesh. Okay, dialogue. And then, okay. And then, alright. I just want to see something right quick. Let's just keep it like that for now. And then I want to... That's not going to work. Now I think about it, it's not going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. I was going to pass it over to this. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. Yeah. Yeah, just gonna leave it like that for now. Let's just bring this back. Show modal and switch this to set show modal and do show modal. Alright, and get rid of this. Dude, there's a way. There's a way. It's just I gotta really think about it. It has to be a way to do this without use state. It's a way, but I just can't figure it out. Maybe it's not. Maybe you guys can tell me if it's a way or not. But I was just trying to figure. Cause like if I can get access to this ID, so I was thinking about maybe putting like a ternary operator and be like if. Nah, that won't work either. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna do it this way for now. I'm running out of time. Alright. So I don't know what that is. Alright, I think this has to go outside of this div, maybe. And let's put fragments. And let's go ahead and do the little show modal trick. Show modal. I just wasted hella time trying to figure that out. Right. Not working. set show model. Maybe this has to have an open tag, maybe? There we go. Okay. Why do I have to click it twice for it to open? You know what? I think I gotta click it twice because of this. I want to try it a different way. So there's two ways I can do it. So I can do it like show modal. Actually, I don't think there's two ways we can do. We can just do show modal, and then it'll return that, and then else will just return null. Let's try that. Else. We can try it like that. See if that works. We got it. Close. Oh, still taking 2. What the hell? Oh, maybe it's because of this div here. I don't know why that would matter, but give it a shot. Yeah, it's taking 2 clicks. Why is that? Let's switch this back to the normal thing. Alright. Okay. Yeah, it's taking 2 clicks for some reason. That is weird. Alright, let's get the functionality working. Well, let's get the styling working. I want this like to be on top and stuff, so let's do that right quick. And then we'll figure out why that's taking 2 clicks. So I'm going to take that out of there and I'm going to put it back in here. Because it was right where I wanted it at. Alright. Yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and do like a div maybe around it. And I'm gonna give this a class name. My computer catches up. Class name of absolute. Okay, hold on. Okay, maybe we gotta make. So this is the entire screen. So we can make the entire thing just relative. And so I do want like a backdrop. So let's do like a width of screen and the height of screen, and then let's give it like a BG of black divided by, I think that's how you do it, 25. So like that. So yeah, it's the backdrop. And So now this div, this dialog, let's give this a class name of, we gotta make this in the middle now. So let's do like a top. Let's do like the little 50% trick. Let's do top 50%. Actually, we could have just, can we just make this into like a flex box? Right? So we just make this into a flex. Justify center. Right? And item center, or maybe not. Okay, there we go. Nice. I was about to position this. Okay, we don't need that. Plus, it's not even absolute. I don't know how would have did that anyway. All right, so let's actually give this like a width and stuff. Let's do a class name. Do a width of, I don't know, 100 pixels. I don't know. Way more than that. So like 500. And then a height of maybe like 300 pixels. Okay, nice. All right, so now we can't click out of it, but I actually know how to fix that. So on the div, the background, we just add an on click. And it's gonna be, we gotta do this, I think it's like stop propagation or some shit like that. Dot stop. Oh, maybe not. We gotta add this to the dialogue itself. So oh shit. Yeah, we gotta add this to the dialogue itself. So this is gonna prevent it from closing when we click on it, because now I'm about to add an on click to this div here. And if I add an on click to this, it'll affect, like, I'll show you guys, it'll affect the children as well. So do an on click. My computer catches up. And then this one, I'm going to set show modal to false. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this propagation quick. And now when I click on it, it should close, open, close. Oh, it's working now. One click. Let's go. Oh, watch this though. Oh no, it's working. I don't know what the fuck I just did, but it's not taking 2 clicks anymore. Nice. But what I was saying is, now when I click on the modal, the dialogue or modal itself, it closes. So to prevent that, we just gotta add that stop propagation back to it. And now when I open it up, we can click. Oh, maybe not. Hold on. I save it. I gotta save it. Hey. Oh. Okay, that's very interesting. Maybe it's not propagation. Hold on. I searched this up before. Stop modal from closing when clicking outside. Double click outside. Let's bootstrap modal. How to remove. Why? Is it stop propagation? Or is it something else? graphics and link are still process. Oh, okay. Maybe it's not. Modal from closing when clicking inside. Why is everyone this? Oh, maybe yeah. Someone from closing on outside click. I swear. Oh, prevent. What am I calling prevent default? So is it this one? Prevent default. Maybe I got them mixed up. I swear it was stop propagation. Or maybe it's I haven't built a modal since my first React project, I don't think. So I think it was maybe it's prevent default. Let's try that. I don't think this is it. I think this is for it to refresh. Actually, that's not it. Stop. E dot. Okay, maybe I have to put this like around a div. It's still closing. Let's put a div around this. Around a dialog tag. It messes up some stuff, but spell class name. Do on click. Wait a minute. Did I? Oh man. Did I write the function right? Still closing. Why is that? Unclick. Propagation. Take this open off. Maybe that's messing at it. Okay, maybe not. I think we need that. Need that to say open. For it to work. I guess we can do the try to prevent default, but I don't think this will work. This is. Oh! Oh my god. I know why. We forgot the goddamn. Oh man. Now it's working. So we don't need this div. Oh man. We don't need that. Now it's working. So when we click outside of it, it closes. When we click OK. Ooh, we got another bug. When we click OK, the backdrop is still there. So we can either add an on click to this button as well, the OK. But it's like, I don't know, all of this kind of it feels like I'm defeating the purpose of the dialogue tag itself, because this is exactly how I built my modal in React.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so I got it working without using use state. I had to use ref. So if you take a look, use ref and did a modal equals ref.current, and I got rid of all the on clicks, and it just says, you know, modal.show modal. So now I got access to that built-in modal. Let's see, where is it? I don't even got it open. Dialog, Mozilla. So now I got access to the, you know, the dot show modal and the built-in close as well. The built-in show. So yeah, I have all the built-in stuff now with the dialog HTML tag. So yeah, that's really it for this video. Now I got it working the way that I want it to work without having to use state and all of them on clicks and all of that extra stuff. So now I think that I'm actually using it the way it's supposed to be used, and I'm definitely gonna be building my modals with this. It's easier in my opinion. It's less code. So that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.